Hey guys, it's Jazmine here and I'm back with another video. So I decided to record another Valentine's Day makeup look, but of course you don't have to wear this for Valentine's Day. It's just whatever you want to wear it for or whatever you feel comfortable wearing it to. So yeah, I decided to do something more sultry, you know, a little more sexy. I mean, yeah, I love this look. I rarely wear red lipstick, but if I do, it's gonna be like a deeper dark oxblood plum-ish color. Like, I love colors like this. This color is from Stila. It's the Stay All Day liquid lipstick, and this is the color Ricco. And it took me forever to put this lipstick on to make sure my lines were not crooked. Probably still some crooked lines and a little, who knows, but I got it on as best as I could, as perfect for you guys because you guys are the best. So I had to make sure I was looking cute, you know. But anyways, so I decided to record this makeup look and I love it. I hope you guys love it. A lot of you guys asked me what I was doing for Valentine's Day. I'm not doing anything. I just decided to record makeup looks for you guys because I mean that's just a thing to do. But I don't have a Valentine's. I am single, so I will not be doing anything to my knowledge. Sorry, I had like a hair on me. But yeah, so I will not be doing anything to my knowledge. It'll be just a regular day for me. So I hope you guys are interested in seeing how I got this makeup look. But before you get to the makeup tutorial, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't already become a part of the Bella Squad, make sure you do that by subscribing. Also turning on the notifications so that you never miss a video from me and you can stay up to date with all of my videos and you just never miss out. So yeah, that's all I want to say. Also comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And leave me some comments as to what videos you guys would like to see next. So yeah, that's about it. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned for the makeup video. Bye guys.
Reckless behavior with you, beg your palm trees, Malibu, our bad attitude shines right through. Top down with the music loud, hands up, get filthy now, 'cause we don't care. Ooh, won't you stop and stare? 'Cause when a song comes on, we drop it low and shake. Bad girls represent this state, California craze. And when a song comes on, we dance without class, 'cause no one here's got time for that. West Coast, where you at? Tropical print, high-waisted shit. I feel the freshest vibes with you. I love to spend my time with you. The weather's perfect here. So girl, let your head down. Go on and move to the beat now. Let them follow your lead. 'Cause when a song comes on, we drop it low and shake. Bad girls represent this state, California craze. And when a song comes on, we dance without class, 'cause no one here's got time for that. West Coast, where you at?
care in the world. Make the best bad boys get all the good girls. Cause when they kiss with their smooth talking lips, you could just close your eyes for the first time exist. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you like I wish we could run away, take all the pain away, just get lost with you. I wanna forget our names, cause everything's so passe. Just get lost with you. Like the pulling waves, like the pouring rain, and every shooting star. We were free from the start. Good night. Always in darkness divine. Isn't the way that we're all alone.
Clarence NYC TV. Clarence NYC motherfucking TV. Clarence NYC TV. Now, as he would say, I'm about to get real spicy. If you guys don't know him, Clarence, he, like he would say, is real spicy. He's that true sweet heat.